North Star flake ice equipment is approved by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. North Star is the world's leader in the design and manufacture of ice rake and storage bin systems. An ice rake fits inside two types of bins, triangular and rectangular. A triangular bin stores up to 55 tons of flake ice. The space under the sloping floor can be used for additional cold storage, dry storage, or for compressor equipment. A rectangular bin stores up to 250 tons. For greater capacities, multiple bins can be integrated into a single system. The rake automatically levels the ice in the bin and discharges it on demand. In the fill cycle, both ice rake systems operate the same. The ice from the ice makers is deposited near the discharge end of the bin. The hoist raises the rake off the ice to allow for new ice to be added during a timed period. Then the hoist stops and the rake starts and spreads the ice back into the bin. When the bin is full, a limit switch on the hoist turns off the ice makers and rake. In the discharge cycle, the hoist lowers the rake to the ice at a predetermined speed. The ice rake pulls the ice into the screw conveyor system at the discharge end of the bin. For a rectangular bin, twin screws are located on the floor behind a bin door, which protects the twin screws from the ice in storage. At the start of a discharge cycle, a motorized winch opens the bin door. The twin screws carry the ice into a feed reservoir. The ice can then be discharged through a slide gate from below or into an elevating conveyor. For a triangular system, no bin door is required, and a single screw replaces the twin screws. In applications where storage capacities of 55 tons or less are adequate, the triangular system is usually preferred. There are fewer mechanical components, and the ice is discharged at an elevated point. This allows direct delivery into containers or a conveying system at the same level. From here, with either storage system, one of two methods now delivers the flake ice. When conveying distances are less than 125 feet, screw conveyors provide the most economical delivery system. For longer distances, or multiple icing stations, a pneumatic conveying system is usually best. A pneumatic system requires more horsepower, but is lighter, easier to install and move, and conveys in any direction. The ice can be discharged by gravity through a cyclone receiver or by high velocity. This method is ideal for discharging ice into the hold of a boat, rail car, or truck. A counting device is available to record the volume of discharged ice. This allows simple and accurate delivery of flake ice at the touch of a button. Although first used by Pacific Northwest fishermen, many industries throughout the world now rely on North Star's flake ice equipment. It's not only a way to preserve a perishable product or cool a critical material. It's a new ice age where technology has refined and improved a basic element from nature. And for companies that require the dependability, efficiency, and economy of flake ice, there's only one North Star.